Okay, this is kind of cool. Well, you know, that track sounds funky, but we don't want to lose this thing. Let's try to save it. How would I save my track if I had a track like this?
All right, well, we got to do two things. We have to write our performance.
Okay.
Our performance is going to be all of our settings here. It's going to be the bass on 1, our roads that we set for 2. It's
Right.
going to be our levels. It's going to be our amount of reverb. It's going to be all of those settings.
Got it.
And so what we're going to do first is we're going to hit write.
Hit right.
Right there. And it gives us 3 options. We can write a performance, a patch/rhythm,
Or a sample.
And we're going to write our performance. That is what the setup is called. So I'm going to hit enter.
Enter.
And now we can name it. I'll just name it T.
How do you name it? What do you press for naming it?
Well, basically, you use your cursors and your jog wheel.
Got it.
And as you can see here, I can move the cursor back and forth.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call it T.
Cool.
All right. So we're going to hit write right here on F8.
Right.
And now we can write it to a user bank. Now you have a limited number of user setups here, or user performances rather.
54.
And, yep. Or 64.
64.
Yep. So let's do it on the second to last, the neutron. Now these are all presets in the machine, which you can get back by doing a full factory reset. So don't be scared of deleting them.
Got it.
All right. So I'm going to pick neutron there. I'm going to write over that last one. And I'm going to press execute. Write performance, are you sure? Execute. Now it's completed. And as you can see, now it says T up here. And that's our performance.
Play it. Let's see. Oh, I see, but it changed the speed.
It changed our tempo. The Fantom S is a little notorious for being a little buggy like that. If you go out of your sequence section, the tempo will go back to the default 120.
How do we get our original tempo back?
Well, what we're going to do is go back to our sequencer. I'm going to hit tempo. There's 120. Let's go back to 90. Always write down your tempo when using the Fantom S.
Now press play. Restart, reset, and play.